To the markets now, and an historic day for all the wrong reasons.
We've already seen drops during this virus, but not like this. Now, here are the closing numbers.
The TSX falling more than 1,700 points, its worst day in decades. There were similar drops in New York. The Dow Jones losing more than 2,300 points. The S&P was also down. CTV Sean Leathong is live at the TSX with more on this market freefall. Sean.
Well, Zarada, Nathan, the stock market is largely a show of confidence or lack of confidence in the economy. And what they need, quite simply, is for people to be going out and spending their money. So news like professional sports leagues closing, schools closing, people becoming afraid just to go outside for fear of contracting this virus are all contributing to this historic crash. A stock market crash. The TSX dropping more than 1,700 points and making history.
We used to use 1987 as the benchmark for the biggest day.
Now the benchmark is March 12, 2020, the largest drop in 80 years amid fears over the coronavirus. Greg Bonnell from B&M Bloomberg says that this drop is uncharted territory.
In the past, I think about what happened during the financial crisis or what's happened before. It was always sort of engineered by people.
But recent market fears are being fueled by the unpredictability of a virus.
While we might see the markets crash and that brings down consumer confidence, maybe we don't feel good about our personal wealth, we also might not feel good about going outside.
The cancellation of major sports, fear of travel, fear of going out on the weekend all contribute.
If you're not spending that money, that is definitely going to have an effect on the economy.
He's been speaking to economists who say that this will likely lead to a small recession, and then
we are going to see that unemployment rate, which has been at record lows, very strong labor market, start to tick up. Not a huge amount, but start to tick up. Canadians, they're basically saying in the wake of this, some of them will lose their jobs.
And in speaking with Greg Bonnell today, he said he was talking to many people on Bay Street. They say they do know when the bottom will be coming, or they do expect the bottom to come, but aren't confident enough to say that the bottom is here. So we look at tomorrow, and we just don't know what will exactly happen on the markets. Reporting live from the TSX, I'm Sean Leathong. Zarada, I'll send it back to you.